Automobiles rely on oil filters as crucial components, safeguarding the engine by purifying the oil that circulates through it. Regularly changing the oil filter contributes to the engine's longevity. But what goes into the manufacturing process of these essential components? Let's delve into the steps involved and the materials used to craft oil filters. The initial stage involves cutting the steel sheet to the precise dimensions necessary for the filter fabrication process. The cutting machine shapes threaded plates from a 2 mm thick sheet, while the tapping plate, outer casing, and upper end cover emerge from a sheet ranging in thickness from 0.25 mm to 0.5 mm. Next is the stamping process, which involves steel sheet blanking, extracting the outer casing, stamping the base plate, and creating the end cap of the filter element. The majority of metallic components for the filter are manufactured during this phase. The oil filter housing, or canister, is crafted from a circular steel sheet stamped 1 to 2 times, depending on product specifications. After a preliminary molding, excess metal is trimmed for a polished appearance. The final step in canister production involves painting and printing, not only enhancing visual aesthetics but also serving as a rust preventive measure. The filter base plate, composed of a tapping plate and a bottom ring, is then made. After stamping, the tapping plate undergoes threading in an automatic threading machine. Subsequently, it is placed in an automatic spot welder along with the bottom ring, resulting in the formation of the base plate. Moving forward, the filter element and caps are stamped and created using an automatic punching machine. The filter bypass valve is riveted to the bottom end caps of the filter element using an automatic riveting machine, where a worker assembles the die, spring, and bottom end caps. The center tube, offering support and stability to the filter element, is manufactured from a perforated steel sheet, rolled, and welded into a cylindrical shape. The filter media, responsible for oil filtration, is made from synthetic fibers such as polyester or cellulose. These fibers are pleated and bonded together, forming a cylindrical shape. The filter media is then affixed to the end caps in the center tube, creating the filter element. The assembly process involves inserting the filter element into the canister, attaching the base plate to the canister through crimping, and adding a rubber gasket to ensure a secure seal. The filter undergoes rigorous testing for leakage and performance. Finally, the filter is meticulously packed, wrapped in plastic, labeled with product information, and placed into boxes ready for shipment.